Namaste Yogis, hope you are doing well and thank you for watching my channel. Today I'm back with a very interesting topic, which is one mantra that practice for activating third eye channel. So if you know third eye chakra, why third eye chakra is so much important, it has a big role on our personality. Basically in yoga, as we say, third eye chakra means you are opening the door of the wisdom. So I will say, if you are a sincere yogi, if you are a sincere practitioner, please watch the video fully. Why? Because in this video you will get a clarification of third eye chakra. After that, after using all this working, you can also use this third eye chakra for this magical state of internal body. So thank you for staying. I will start my video, my topic, which is about that mantra. First I will come on that topic. As Swami Ramdev, he mentions mantras, they are powerful. Mantras, they have a meaning. So if I'm chanting a mantra, there is a meaning behind that. There is a working, how long to use that mantra, how much is the intensity of that mantra. So mantra has a magical working. So in this video I'm showing you how you can use that mantra, and with this practice certainly you will get the effects, you will get the benefits. And please put in comments, please put what is the change, what changes are there. What we have to do, we have to observe and we have to bring our sincerity on that mantra. So that mantra is, especially when you chant a mantra, it's better to hold a sitting posture. Why? The reason is your back will be straight, and the working of mantra, as we are mentioning, how to activate third eye or Ajna Chakra. And you can choose any comfortable sitting pose. For example, if you sit in Siddhasana, so in Siddhasana, one leg, the hip, it goes to your sacrum region. The other leg is placed on the top of the other side, and you will see your back will be all the way up. Your shoulders will be aligned. And this mantra is concerned with your breathing. How long you will breathe longer, there will be more working. So let me show you the breath work. So in this breathing, we start to inhale with our nasal. So I would say in starting few numbers just to inhale and to exhale. So what you are doing, you're trying to open both of the passages, so there is no restriction there. For a normal person, it takes 3 to 5 strokes of deep breathing. Means your breathing pattern is clear. This is number 1. Number 2, what we are bringing, the eyes are closed, we are concentrating on our third eye, and during inhalation means when we are breathing in. So for example, I'm breathing in. So what I have to chant, the mantra is hum sa. Hum means I am. So we are targeting on this chakra or the point that I am. So during inhalation, I'm chanting hum internally, and during exhalation, I'm practicing sa, S-A, sa. So sa means that. So during exhalation, so this is a very nice practice. Whenever you want to inhale, you practice hum. Whenever you want to exhale, you practice with the sound of sa. So hum, sa, hum, sa, hum, sa. So the mantra is very interesting, means I am that, I am that, I am that. This is a working in yogic world which is called to manifest. Manifestation has a big and solid working to our internal side, and especially on third eye we practice a lot of manifestation, a lot of chantings, and I'm giving you this is the easiest mantra, because in Sanskrit the wording is quite long. Sometimes it's not that easy to remember, but I would say hamsa. Even you can practice that, that. But these Sanskrit words, they have a meaning, so we directly recall those energies from the universe. So again the same, the posture can be in which you are comfortable. If you don't feel comfortable in Siddhasana, you can also use Sukhasana, in which your legs are nicely crossed, and even you can sit in a nice gesture, nice position. You're only focusing on your deep breathing, open breathing. Hum, sa, hum, sa. You can also bring this practice. This is for beginners. The advanced practitioners, they should close their ears and they should press their third eye with the middle fingers. So this time we are pressing this point, and with the breathing, hamsa, hamsa. So basically we bring all the attention to the third eye. So this was my video, this was the working. That's why I asked you to please watch it properly. So means your doubts will be clear and you will get a proper authentic information, as I always try to bring in the authentic yoga techniques. As Yoga with Ajna, you will find a lot of interesting facts on our channels, because all matters how you practice. It is all about your sincerity, and please note, please make it noted that as much you will bring sincere, as much you will be confident, as much you will give your time, you will get the results. Basically you will get the nectar. So thank you for watching. If you have any queries, any questions, so please feel free to ask, and please share the video. It goes to those who are looking for that information. Again, thank you. Namaste.